Welcome to today's video. If you've ever struggled to keep track of important shared documents on WhatsApp, the new PC update has something you'll love. You can now star shared documents directly from the WhatsApp desktop app, making it easy to organize, highlight, and revisit all your key files in seconds. Let's walk through how it works step by step. First, open your WhatsApp app on your PC. Make sure you're logged in and on the home screen where your chats are visible. On the left-hand side of the window, you'll notice a new panel with icons for different types of media. This is where all your shared content lives: photos, videos, links, and now documents. Next, click on the media icon on the left side menu. A new window will open showing your media categories. Here, choose Docs to access all the documents that have been shared in your chats or groups. Take a moment to scroll through this page. Conveniently lists every file, making it simple to find what you need without opening each chat individually. Once you see the files you want to tag, look toward the top of the window and click on the select icon. This activates the selection mode, allowing you to pick multiple documents at once. Simply click on each doc you'd like to star, whether it's work reports, PDFs, or lecture notes, whatever matters most to you. After selecting all your important files, move up to the top right corner and click on the star icon. Just like that, WhatsApp marks them as starred items. The star will glow to confirm that your selection is complete. Now, every time you need to access those particular documents, you can jump straight to your starred section without scrolling endlessly through other files or chats. It's fast, efficient, and keeps your workspace tidy. And that's it. You've learned how to star shared documents on the WhatsApp PC app using the latest update. This small change makes document management smoother, especially if you rely on WhatsApp for business, school, or team projects. Stay tuned for more simple tech guides that help you make the most out of your apps.